Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video on my brand new channel where I will teach you everything about GTA 5 modding from beginner tips to advanced custom to setups. My name is Game & Mods, and if you ever wanted to turn your GTA 5 into something totally unique and fun, you are in the right place. In this video, we are starting from scratch. I will show you the basic tools and files you need to begin modding GTA 5 safely. If you are new to modding or don't know where to start, don't worry, I have got you covered step by step. Let's go. But guys, first by first, you will need a clean GTA 5. Means GTA 5 no pirated, no crack version, only real original GTA 5 you will need. Because if you have pirated or cracked GTA 5 version, you will see lot of issues in your GTA 5 game modding while you are modding. So please install GTA 5 from Epic Games or Steam. So you will never see any issue on your GTA 5. So, and guys, this is my first video, so please give your full support, like, subscribe, share, comment. So please do your really support, and I need your support in this first video. And guys, let's go. Subscribe, like, share, comment. So let's begin with what you will need to install first. So guys, you can see there I have Epic Games GTA 5, original GTA 5, and let's go. You will need GTA 5 version. Here you can see that I have a latest version of my GTA 5, so you will need also a latest GTA 5 version so you can play all the mods without any issue. It is, guys, you have like this GTA 5, but I'm gonna teach you how to install in this game with modding. So let's begin with, guys. First you need a clean copy of GTA 5, and in GTA 5 folder you will need a mod folder. If you don't have, create a mod folder, create a new folder, rename it with a mod folder. So here you can see that I have created mod folder, and you can, and what is next step I will tell you. In this next step, I will teach you how to back up your GTA 5. This is a very important step. You will definitely do this step. Back up your game. Copy these files. I know you don't have these files. In the mod folder, copy these files, not these x64a, x64b, not these, but these files. You can see there, x64 folder till x64 folder. Copy these files, create a folder, rename it backup, and paste there. So here it is our GTA 5 with, here it is our backup. So if any issue you facing in your GTA 5 mods, so you can delete files and copy these original files, and your GTA 5 will work. So this is and also mod you have created, also mod folder you copy, and also create a backup folder of your modding folder. So here you can see that I copy that mod folder and pasted there in backup. So yes guys, this step is a very important. You definitely do that step. So guys, we are now installing some files, basic files. Now you need to OpenIV. First you need OpenIV, and second you need to script native trainer, third scripthookv.net. You can download these files. Links are in the description. I will provide you all the links. You can easily download from there. Next you need to pack file limit adjuster, and next these basic mods are very helpful for your GTA 5. Next is a menu for a PC, for a course spawner like that. So this is, or last not least, app heap adjuster. You also download this. All links are in the description. Here you can see this. Here you can see I have already downloaded these files. First of all, we will install this OpenIV. So let's go with OpenIV. Here you can see that OpenIV our is open, and now we are installing that in our PC. And for my GTA 5, let's go. Here you can see that I agree with these license, and now where your GTA 5, select the GTA 5 location and continue. I am not installing. I have already installed OpenIV. Next step is that script and script.net we are going to install. So here we extract both files, and we are gonna put these files into GTA 5 main directory. So let's open it. You can see that I have opened the GTA 5 main directory. So now we are going to put these files. These files I have selected. You can see there. So I have put these. I have already files, so I don't replace, and so you can put these files into your GTA 5 directory. Next is scriptv.net. You can also these files drag and drop. Let's go. So yes, you can drag and drop in your GTA 5. That's our step is done. Now we are going to next step. Okay, so now we are done these files. Scriptv.net. I'm gonna delete these files. That I'm easily install these next files here as I register. These are very easy, just drag and drop in the GTA 5 main directory. Next is a pack file limiter. You can see there I have already, so I don't paste. So next is a pack file limiter, register, extract, and copy and drag and drop. Here you can see that I have already have a pack file limiter register, so I don't need to replace. Next I will delete them, and next is that we are going to menu. We are going to install menu, and let's go with it. Menu, extract, and menu folder. Going to menu folder and copy all these files and drag and drop these into GTA 5 directory. Okay, I'm gonna delete these files, and now I am gonna tell you what you will put in the mode folder. You created a mode folder, that your mode folder is empty, but I have a full with files. So I'm gonna tell you how you will fill these files into your mode folder. First of all, go to your main directory and copy these update x64 update both files into your copy and paste into your mode folder. So you can see there I have already, so I don't paste here because my game will be crashed. So never mind, just do that. So let's go. Okay, next step is you install OpenIV. Now we are working. Now we are business with our OpenIV. So let's go GTA 5 and Windows select. Now our OpenIV is starting. So little wait. I'm gonna little wait, and now more wait. So finally our OpenIV is started. Now you can go mode folder, and here we go. You are now with game config. So our business with game config. Now I'm gonna tell you how to install game config. Yeah, you can see this game config, the file version and GTA 5 version is not match. You need to, first of all, you need to match your game config file version and your version. Both are same versions. You can put into your mode folder. I'm gonna tell you how to install manually. First of all, you can see this game config file, mode folder, update folder, update RPF, data, and you can see here it a game config file. But first you will have game config file version and GTA 5 version are both same. Then you install your game config file, otherwise no, otherwise your game will not run, or not any modes will run, or not cards are spawned if your game config file are not same as GTA 5 version. So download same version as your GTA 5 version. Okay, so we are now done with that, our basic GTA 5 mods. Here all our basic mods are installed in this video. So guys, that's it for today video, a simple clear guide to what you need before jumping into the GTA 5 modding world. If this video helped you or you are excited to learn more, hit the like button, subscribe and turn the bell icon, because the next videos will be real game changers. Let's build the modding journey together. See you in the next one. Bye bye.